to compete. So, pinakita naman na kaya naman eh. So, matter of ano lang siguro. Yung mindset na kaya. Back to the drawing board again, back to zero against San Miguel. Hindi na kami matapagan tapakan kahapon.
Coach, kasi kanina napansin namin na most of the scoring load was on Justin's wings. Medyo nung latter part na naghabol yung mga locals like Mami, kailangan bang mas i-coach yung locals na from the start pa lang una sila?
Well, ganoon naman eh. Yung team naman namin, lahat naman pwedeng tumira eh. Basta doon lang sa concept ng team. So, not necessarily titira. Kung ano yung concept ng team, kunwari, kung sa corner, ano, need to go to the paint, then yung concept ng team namin. So, just happen na nung una medyo tentative kasi nakascore yung ipon eh. So, we need to feed him. Pero nung late game, medyo humina ng konti. So, that's why pumasok ng locals.
About the last two possessions for Airfare, yung isang na-block kay Aljon and then yung last shot sana nila. Was it design? Was it or was it flow of the moment?
Flow of the moment din, tsaka what do you expect? Aljon is like 6'3", 6'2". Then si Justin is like 6'7", 6'8". So, nandun eh, libre-libre, nahabol lang. Then siguro, same like last game. Kailangan namin mag-compete from first quarter to fourth quarter kasi second quarter nagtatambakan lang, third quarter. So, baka kami maghabol. So, parang ang hirap. It's better siguro, sabi namin sa players, all we know is kaya naman natin to play our A game every game. Pero no need to wait for third quarter para umabol kasi may hirap eh. May hirap talaga maghabol.
Pero coach, gaano kalaking bagay sa character ng team yun? Dalawang back-to-back games naghabol kayo and almost kayo manalo.
Well, sobrang maganda yun kasi yun nga, yung culture na kaya pala may compete and may chance manalo. So, lesson learned na hindi dapat ang laro pang third quarter fourth na habol. Kailangan first pa lang ratsada na para at least once na we keep it close, may chance talaga manalo lagi. Kasi tsaka yun, yung seconds na buo na yun, breaks of the game na kasi lahat naman may chance manalo. May chance sila matalo. So, hopefully ma-address namin yun from the first pa lang, first quarter, pukpok na kami. Especially sa depensa, tsaka we need the concept of the team.
Coach, si Gio parang may iinin na siya.
Well, siguro parang nag-cramps yata yung quads niya. So, we need somebody to step up. So, yung team naman na to, next man up eh. So, thankful lang kami kay Justin, kay Aljon, tsaka kay CJ na nag-step up sila.
Thank you.